The newly outdoored Greater Accra Regional NPP campaign team for the 2020 elections has called on the King of Accra, King Takite Kochuru II, at the Ghana Traditional Council today to seek his blessings and permission to begin campaigning in the Greater Accra region. In his address, the leader of the delegation, Right Reverend Professor Mike Okoye, said government had no right to intrude into chieftaincy affairs, but the MPP government has every intention to collaborate with local chiefs for development. He further admonished Ghanaians to show respect and support to their king at all times.
Nina ke isechi uji masumoni o kind of rubbish kedi ohia oni no more me che ko kwena hi ejodi no esani ke wo ohia ye loy wo mancheme okay bulani same ihame ejiri ko ni wo kwe wo omupai ne ameti amawo ama ke wo constitution mi akashi mancheme asane je government chine no wa kwa fai akaje ka wa atwani wo ba wa wote mancheme asane ami ya ka je wo cho kusu mo ba cho woni
ewo hanye manye Wow, na akeshi umisa nyeke hase ake nyeye gafe spono nyefanana nyenani nani nyefa eji sanyapa eji umanye san eja akeshi to boni nyeye nyeke nyeye denokushi ni nyebadomo se Onye you are dong. I know what our G Shinamo Papa young walk can you take? A cafe can banana for Mississippi pets. She if you know ni nyemme nyekio na tashi na jomani na poor na to igbejiano ojoba aja she ni bi everyday yega ni wo ha mo ife baba o ekome onye ni wodmona ebi ke aba yedin menkome awon wiemo ya shomom si wona ake atu penoko ken hawo o ba pa ni fai wọ́n tọ́wọ́ kẹ̀yà ṣàn òjògbà láyé wọn láì ṣe tún ní òjògbà ọ̀pọ̀pọ̀pọ̀ àná níbi ìyànà ni ìwọ̀n wọ̀fẹ́ wọ̀nà náà pa ìwọ̀n jọ́mọ̀ ọ̀wá bí kẹ́hànyẹ̀ ẹgbẹ̀fà náà ayòmànyé káàbí yẹn ṣe akẹ́yẹ̀ yẹ̀ ni nọ́ní yẹn tí sùọ̀ kẹgbẹ́ ní yẹn fà náà fẹ́ abáṣọ ìyẹn ìdọ̀nà tà ló mà ní abá. Wow.